In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to withdraw money from Piggyvest without OTP. But is it actually possible to withdraw money from Piggyvest without OTP? So let's try to check out if it's actually possible. So for you to be able to do that, just log into your Piggyvest mobile app, then click on account. Then the page is gonna load just like this. Then you can scroll all the way down to withdraw fund. So click on withdraw fund. Then you can see the option where you select the best option that where you actually want to withdraw fund. So let's say from Flex Naira, for example. Then the page is gonna load just like this. So select where you wanna put a where you wanna withdraw the money to. So put in the amount you wanna withdraw. For example, I wanna withdraw 2,000 naira. Once select the bank, then input your security answer right there. You can also change your security answer if you don't remember. So let's say I want to use put in my security answer, two guys, let's say, so two guys. Then you can see withdraw. So once you click on withdraw, let me quickly do that and let's see what pops up. I'm very sure the security answer is not correct, but let's see what pops up. So you can see they ask me to verify my PIN, which of course once you verify your once I verify this, then probably the money will be sent to my Stanbic account without any issue. So there is no pop-up for OTP generating or anything. So on this page, this is where they are supposed to ask for OTP if they're gonna ask for that. So but then they are asking me for my security answer, which is of course not really a biggie. So you can just follow this method to withdraw from Piggyvest without OTP.